What's up, guys? Tyler V at ZZP here today with another product announcement. Now live in the Gen II Cruze brakes section is our 12.6-inch big brake kit. This kit includes everything needed for install, including ARP extended wheel studs, spacers, new stainless brake lines, 4-piston Brembo calipers, and that huge 12.6-inch rotor. The stock Gen II Cruze brakes were designed for economy in mind, so they come in at a wimpy 10.8 inches and a single piston floating caliper. Not only does the larger rotor and larger pad face give you better stopping performance, but it also helps with heat dissipation if you ever decide to track your car. The kit is an easy bolt-on procedure. Anybody can do it in their driveway in an afternoon. Looks great, and it's gonna really improve your stopping performance on your Gen II Cruze. Check it out now, and I know you'll love it. Till next time, peace.